a short period of a few weeks.
Against the famous adage of proverb that says that the tortoise says that what annoys him with hunters is that when hunters see other animals, they shoot at the animals. But when they see tortoise, they pick it and put it in their bag. Tortoise say, please shoot me the way you shoot other animals. So we have come to shoot Rivers State the way we have shot other animals. We are competing delegates. One of them told me that among the statutory delegates that we have seen, give me a number of those he thinks that may not vote for me. They have the right to choose who they want to vote for. If they choose to vote for me, well and good. If they choose not to vote for me, well and good. But 99% of Rivers delegates, from what we saw from the statutory delegates, will vote for me. Those who are qualified to vote as statutory delegates will vote for me. We will do everything possible through a democratic process to ensure that those delegates who emerge as adult delegates are also delegates that will vote for me. But you see, it's not just about voting for me because I'm your son. It's also because I come with experience. In fact, if there's one place I shouldn't speak, it's here. Because you already know me. People say I'm kind. People say I'm stubborn. When people say I'm stubborn, it's because I'm a principled man. I believe that what is right and what is wrong is wrong. I believe that I grew up at my radio where we eat rice only on Easter, Sundays, Christmas celebration. That's the only time we eat rice. Where you have a piece of meat in your soup. I come with experience of somebody who has served as speaker, and I was speaker for 8 years. When the Rivers State record was the record of people who were being impeached every month, speakers were being impeached. And I remained as speaker for 8 years. Even when I was chased to Ghana, I still remained as the speaker of the Rivers State House of Assembly. They attempted to impeach me. The House rose to my defense. 8 years I was a governor. There were betrayers in our system, but 8 years I was a governor. I've done 7 years as Minister for Transport. So I come with experience. And I'm the only aspirant on stage that has governed a state where there is insecurity. True or false? True. Remember when I came, they kidnapped Professor Nimi Briggs. If you remember those who were in government with us, they kidnapped Professor Nimi Briggs, they kidnapped Mrs. Lulu Briggs. Those were the baptism of fire I faced in the first few weeks that I came to office. After that came the story of how they were kidnapping 2-month-old babies. But we faced those challenges together and we overcame those challenges to free Rivers State. I don't know what the situation is like now. I don't live here. I live in Abuja. I don't know whether it's bad. But you know, one thing I enjoy is when I see some of you cry. And I enjoy it because I warned all of you, like I'm warning now. I'm warning the way I warned Rivers State, that 60 to 70% of Rivers State politicians, 60 to 70% of Rivers State politicians pass through me. So I know the character of everybody. I know the character of everybody. So I can tell you who will be who can be the governor of a state and who cannot be the governor of a state. I can tell you who can betray you and who cannot betray you. Let me tell you one thing about loyalty. Anybody who was with us in when was the governorship? 2007. We were in a meeting. And somebody asked me, if Dr. Dili said you will not run as a governor, what will you do? I say I will surrender and support whoever he brings. Loyalty is not when you are not chosen. You become disloyal. Loyalty is whatever the man that leads you, that you have surrendered to his leadership, says. You do what? If you don't follow, it means that you are not loyal. You are only benefiting from the man because he becomes a purview of economic realities. So your economic realities are challenged by his presence. The day he's not able to give that economic reality is the day you become disloyal. From the day I assumed office, from my speakership, asked those who followed me, that it was a meeting. I remember when they announced that we will no longer be the candidate. Tolofane nearly killed me with his car. because I said, if the party says it's me, thank God. If the party says it's not me, whoever the party chooses, I will support. If the party or the president choose anybody, I will support the person. If the president chooses me, I'll be glad and I'll say, thank God, and I'll come back here to worship God. Thank you.
Vote for you. And I know my brothers who are statutory delegates will vote for you. Because all of us stayed here today from Rivers who are benefiting from you. And this is time to pay you back. We will stand with you. And let me use the opportunity to thank our brothers from other states who have stood by our leader, Right Honorable Chibuike Amaechi. I want to thank you people. God Almighty will stand with you people because you have chosen to stand with our leader. But one thing I'll tell you, our leader is a man of one word. When he say yes, is yes, is yes. When he say no, is no, is no. And I know he's a man that will not forget all of you that stood by him. By the grace of God, we will be in the presidential villa. I'll be the chairman that will produce the Mr. President. I'll be the chairman that will produce governor of Rivers State. Since I assumed office as the chairman of this party, the dynamics of politics in Rivers State has changed. Governor Wike is jittering because I win him. Let me use up only time because of time. You are welcome, and God Almighty will take you back to your destination. Thank you, and God bless you, sir.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.